Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have 24 hours. Reserve 8 hours for sleep and 1 hour for meals, leaving 15 hours of focused time for review. Divide the 15 hours into 3 5-hour blocks and assign 1 block each to physics, chemistry, and biology. Schedule a 10-minute break every 50 minutes and a 30-minute break every 4 hours. Start each block with a 30-minute review of formulas, definitions, and diagrams to prime memory. Then practice problems and past paper questions to reinforce application. Identify the top 10 high-weight topics from your syllabus and past papers and focus on them before minor topics. For each important topic, use 1 hour divided as 20 minutes rapid review of concepts, 30 minutes solving representative problems or numerical practice, and 10 minutes correcting errors and writing concise notes. Make a quick 1-page cheat sheet per subject that lists formulas, units, key steps, and 1 labeled diagram. Keep these cheat sheets for last-minute 30-minute revisions before sleep. Use active recall techniques throughout. Cover your notes and reproduce answers aloud or on paper for 20 minutes per topic to test memory retention. After focus study blocks, simulate exam conditions with 1 2-hour past paper timed strictly. Mark mistakes, categorize them, and spend the following session correcting only those weak areas. In the evening, stop intense study at least 1 hour before bed, sleep 8 hours to consolidate memory, and do a 15-minute morning recap of formulas, labeled diagrams, and corrected error notes before the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.